everyone! It's time for another vlog, and for today's episode, i-share ko sa inyo ang unboxing of my first ever cosmetic mystery box. It was actually on sale and nabili ko siya online with 60% off. The seller promises na sa loob ng box ay merong 30 assorted cosmetic items from a wide range of drugstore brands dito sa Australia. Sobrang excited ako guys kasi it's my first time to actually buy a mystery box. Gusto ko na ding malaman if it's really worth the money. If you would like me to unlock the mystery in the box, then please keep on watching. By the way, kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Carla and I am your flight attendant migrant. I basically do vlogs on lifestyle, travel, cabin crew tips, and anything about our migrant life here in Adelaide. Please do subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up for this video, and hit that notification bell so you would be notified every time that I post a video. So, without further ado, let the unboxing begin! Ito nga pala yung box, guys. It came in the mail today and ganyan siya kalaki. I bought this from Melbourne Secret Sales. Melbourne Secret Sales is an Australian premier warehouse sales destination that deals directly with consumers and other small businesses. There are a lot of products to choose from. There are clothings for men, women, boys, girls, and even for babies. I will leave in the comment section below, guys, the exact link on where I purchased this mystery box. Guys, so nabuksan ko na nga pala yung mystery box. So let us see what the first product is. Alright, so we do have Rimmel Wake Me Up Anti-Fatigue Skin Brightening Liquid Foundation, and this is how it looks like. It has SPF 20 and vitamin C na din. If you are looking forward to buy mystery boxes from Melbourne Secret Sales, on the checkout page, huwag nyo kalimutan na ilagay yung skin tone nyo. Dito nila binibase yung mga shades of products na ipapadala nila. So just to ensure that you will be able to use majority of the products and that it suits your complexion, you have to key in your skin tone. Pwede mong ilagay if you're light, medium, or dark. Guys, we've got another Rimmel product, and this is Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation in the shade of True Ivory. So, ito siya. I see here a couple of NYX products. I so love NYX. They are really known for selling high-quality products at a very reasonable price. So this is a turned up lipstick. Napansin ko yung shade niya, yung number 16, it's like bloody red. So, I think magagamit ko to kapag may mga events. And I've got a NYX Hot Single Eyeshadow in the shade Bonfire. Majority of the products that they have included in my box are more on foundation in different types as well as lip products. So I have here Face of Australia Face Base Primer. It already has vitamin E and chamomile. Amoy natin. Sobrang bango niya, guys. And actually before, hindi ko alam what a primer is for. And then nalaman ko that it actually creates an additional layer between your foundation and your skin. It helps the foundation to be smoothened out. And at the same time, it helps your foundation or your makeup to last longer. And I've got a couple of items here, all from Face of Australia. I have here the Mineral Therapy Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Light. I also have here the Mineral Therapy, but this time this is the liquid foundation, and this is in the shade Ivory. And we have here the Lasting Finish Stick Foundation, also in the shade Ivory. Alam nyo guys, I think most of my foundation needs are already covered by the products inside this box. Imagine I have the loose powder, I have liquid foundation, and even the stick foundation. It's really good of the company to provide diverse range of products kasi hindi rin naman talaga nila alam what type of foundation yung ginagamit ko. So it's really good to know that I have a lot of options. Sinundan din nila ako ng nail polishes. And like I've mentioned guys, the brands that are included in these boxes are not just your typical brands kasi these are Sally Hansen's nail polishes. Lahat ng products nila, wala siyang formaldehyde, acetone, and even animal-derived ingredients. So I have here the Insta Dry Matte in the shade Molten Mauve. Meron din akong Color Therapy in the shade Brown Bear. So, ito siya. Lastly, I have here the Salon Manicure in So guys, guess what? There are a lot of lip products included in this box. So, let us check it one by one. I have here the NYX Matte Lipstick. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung shade niya. This is in the shade Sweet Pink. I also have another lipstick and this is Maybelline New York in Tip Top Tall shade. So, ito naman parang baby pink yung shade niya. And I also have the Oh My Gloss Lip Gloss from Rimmel. And this is in the shade Pop Puppy and Master Pink. And lastly, I have here the Rimmel Provocalypse lip color. Alam nyo ba guys, among all the lip products included here in my mystery box, this is the most long-lasting lip wear. It claims that it is kiss-proof and can stay on your lips for 16 hours long. So, we have another two cosmetic lip colors from Rimmel London. And I have here the Stay Satin in the shade Psych. And I have the Stay Matte in the shade Latte to Go. So for yung mga products na nakita natin are more on foundation, lipsticks, lip stain, we even have nail polishes. This time, we do have products for the eyebrow. I have here the Maybelline New York Brow Drama. This is in the shade Soft Brown. I also have Face of Australia Brow Precision. I guess this one is, yep, an eyebrow pencil. So it has an eyebrow brush on the other end. And it is the brow powder. And the other side naman, it is the eyebrow pencil. And this shade is a tinted moisturizer. And by the way, this is the only L'Oreal product in the box. And I have here Face of Australia Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 50. Now guys, there are days in which we feel like liquid foundation is too heavy for us. We can just opt for tinted moisturizer because it also has mild coverage, so it can also conceal your dark spots. It also can give you a more natural look. This is of great use as well. Okay, so for the foundation, I have here the Rimmel Clear and Clarifying Powder. So this is what it looks like. This will definitely be of good use for me kasi ito lang naman yung ginagamit ko on a daily basis just to control the shine on my face. The other one is Face of Australia Lasting Look Foundation. And this is in the shade Ivory. Guys, so we are now on our 29th product. So, syempre, if we do have makeup, dapat meron ding makeup bag. And this is from Australis. So, nothing fancy about this makeup bag. You can put your brushes or your small makeup inside. Or kung ayaw mo naman siyang gamitin as makeup bag, you can also use it as an organizer. You can put your documents inside since it's transparent. Madali mo lang makikita yung mga documents na ilalagay mo sa loob. Or if you cannot really find any use for this, you can just easily gift it to anyone, pwedeng babae or lalaki since it's very unisex in style. Guys, we are down on our 30th item, but the last item inside the box is actually not a cosmetic product. But I am sure that most of you will agree with me on this, that we should be carrying products like this with us all the time, especially now that we are still fighting COVID-19. So I have here Lux hand sanitizer, and this can come in very handy. You can just put it inside your bag or put it somewhere in your pocket. And it's very thoughtful as well of the company to include this inside the mystery box because it is a gentle reminder that we should be taking our hand hygiene seriously. Okay, so that has been the unboxing of my first ever mystery box. And I can definitely say that my purchase was worth it because from the original price of $140, I only got it for $50 with all of this high quality products inside the box. So I hope nag-enjoy din kayo for today's episode. This has been Carla and I'll see you next time.